What's going on, everyone, and welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to set up and register to the blockchain your Dero wallet address, because if you don't, it just won't work. Now the meter box has something to say.
The Meter Box is having a massive Black Friday sale starting Monday, November 21st and running all week through Friday, November 25th until 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. You can now run the same Meter Box that some of your favorite YouTubers use. There's no coupon code or link required. Some restrictions may apply. Visit their website, www.themeterbox.com, and get 50% off any meter box or 10% off any fully assembled meter boxes, which are easy as plug and play. Limited quantities are available at this price point, so head on over and grab yours today.
Thank you very much, Meterbox. Now, Black Friday is here, so be sure to use any link in the description. Even if you plan on shopping on Amazon for anything, clicking on a link first will greatly help the channel. You can just search for anything you want. All right, so there are three versions of the Dero wallet. One, you just simply go to downloads here, go to the Windows. This is going to be for Windows, and that will bring you to this section here, the CLI wallet. Now, the CLI wallet here, once you do download this, this will have your wallet as well as everything you need to run your own Dero node. Now, to run your own Dero node, that is the best and most profitable way to mine Dero itself. There are some mining pools out there, which it does help you out and saves the whole node process, you know, for people that don't really want to run their own nodes, but it is recommended to run a node for obvious reasons, decentralization. Now, we also have the GUI wallet, which is a nice fancy heads up desktop wallet here, which makes checking your balance and everything very, very easy. We will show you how to set this up with the CLI wallet as well as the ENGRAM wallet. There's also the web wallet. I think it's been broken since the version 3 hard fork, but again, we're not really going to go into that. I do recommend the CLI wallet for obvious reasons. You got your own node, and then we got the ENGRAM wallet here for quick reactions and checking stuff. So once you download what you need, we're starting with the CLI wallet here, and you will come across all this. Now, the bat files are not there. Those are my own personal bat files to get this running. We're going to be going through the wallet bat file in a later video. We will be going over all the node setup processes if you do want to begin mining to that, or you can just check out the Rabid pools for Dero itself as well. But here you see, this is the Deroid Windows AM64. This is the actual node itself. Obviously, Dero miner windows, that's to mine. And then the one we're going to utilize here is the Dero Wallet CLI. So I'm going to utilize this at first. We're going to hit the edit button so you can see what I got going on within this bat file. And here you can see start and then Dero Wallet CLI Windows AMD64. That is this file right here. And we're using the bat file so we can use the remote action. This is the fastest way to bypass the whole node process and just get your wallet up and running as soon as possible. I'm going to simply double click on the wallet start. It's going to open up, and then we're just going to wait for it to do its thing. So we have no wallet or anything in here. So first we're going to have to create a new wallet. That is by simply hitting number 2 and then enter. So we're going to have to enter the wallet file name. We can see default wallet.db. This means enter whatever name you want, followed by period DB. Now you can do this without the .database DB part, but it won't work when transferring to ENGRAM and stuff, which is what I'll show you later on. These are all interchangeable by using your wallet data file here, and that is going to be your backup as well as your seed phrase if you choose to do that. But we're going to go with video test in this case. So we're going video test.db. Hit the enter button. We're going to need a password 12345. And then we're going to confirm that password 12345, enter again. And now it's going to bring up what kind of language are we? Well, I'm English. If you're something else, obviously choose something else. I am not bilingual, so I will fail at that. I'm going to kind of extend this a little bit here, bring it over. So now you can see here is the seed phrase for this wallet. And you can see count is now unregistered. It's not registered. That means it won't work. So some people have been trying to mine to the Rabid Dero pool here, and they're getting errors and whatnot. And a lot of it has been coming down that their wallet address is not registered. So it's quite simple. All you got to do is simply hit the number 4 here. But remember, depending on your PC hardware, most likely the CPU, I don't believe the GPU affects this, but the CPU side will take longer than others depending on the CPU you have. So I'm going to hit number 4, just hit enter. It's going to go through the registering process. We'll come back when it is complete. While we are waiting here, I just wanted to bring up that you can see I am using a Ryzen 7950X and I'm not mining anything currently, and it's maxed out, well, almost maxed out, but it's using quite a bit of my CPU here, and we can see what it's being used here. If we go into our GPU side, it's using a little bit of GPU, but not too much. So it looks like it is mostly on the CPU side, like I was saying earlier. Now that we're just doing whatever, we're only hanging out at 2 on our GPU. That was probably just from opening the program itself. Okay, so we are all done now. It took about 2 minutes or so on my system. Remember, depending on your CPU, it could take, 10, 15 minutes, and I have heard people take it upwards of a couple hours. Just hang in there and it will register. So if we open up our folder again, we can now see a new file is here by videotest.db. This is the name of our wallet. So I'm just going to run the same remote command here again, just to get it going. And we're going to open our wallet just to make sure it is working. So we're going to hit 1. We're going to open it up. So we need videotest.db. Hit enter. Oh, I'm going to hit enter again. You can see I put a comma, not a period. So let's open that existing wallet. Videotest.db. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit enter. Successfully opened. So here's our wallet. We can see it's not saying unregistered or anything anymore. It is now good to either point at a pool, point to your own node, or whatever, regardless, for mining, or if you go and purchase Dero for a future holding, you can now send it to your wallet and you have nothing to worry about. So let's move on over to the ENGRAM wallet. So now we have ENGRAM all downloaded and extracted. We're simply going to hit the double click the icon here on ENGRAM and it's going to open for us. It's going to take, I guess, a couple minutes here in the process to do so. And we can see nothing's going on, nothing's here. I will show you about transferring wallet files and everything over later on, but for now, there's nothing here. So we're going to start a new account and get this registered. So it's a very simple process. Simply hit new account. We're going to select our language. We're going to go English, and account name. This is the same as your wallet database in the other one. So we're going to go video test 2. So we're going video test 2 here. We're going to go down to password again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit enter. Enter might not work. Didn't seem to. So hit create button with your mouse. Left click on create. Wait a couple minutes. And now we can see our seed phrase. So here is the seed phrase for this wallet. Remember, this is a burner wallet. I am not going to be using it. But I do want to point something out here. I'm just going to bring up my notepad. You can copy. Now, remember, at this point in time, this wallet address is not registered, so it will not work to mine to or anything like that. You're going to get errors. But I'm just going to copy the address here. We're going to come into a notepad. There is this Dero wallet address. I'm going to copy the seed word. So I'm also going to put this in. So here is all the seed words for this wallet. I'm just going to minimize this. We're going to close this out. So now we're just going to sign in to make sure. So we're going to go video test. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you actually log in this time, it's going to begin the registering purposes. And again, depending on your system specs, it will take some time. And this does take a little longer than the CLI wallet to register, but the registration process has begun. So I just want to bring everything up to show you again. As we can see in Ryzen Master, it is using most of our CPU for this thing, and it's actually using more than the CLI wallet. And in our Afterburner, we can see it's not really using much of the GPU, which comes down to how well your CPU is actually performing in the speed of this. Okay, so it is complete now, and this took about 4 minutes to complete. So only an extra 2 minutes on my system. Again, I want to strain. If you're hanging out there, some people in the comments might be saying, hey, it's been an hour, it's still not working. Let me know if you decide to do something like that, and let me know your CPU specs, because then it probably all just comes down to you need a better CPU, so just wait longer. So that's some couple things to put out. And now if we go into our actual folder here, if we go to mainnet, this is where it saves all the files for the ENGRAM wallets. We can see videotest2.db and videotest2.db.bac or BAK. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know where the C came from. I'm just seeing things, I guess. I'm still sick a little bit, guys. I apologize. So maybe I'm just hallucinating. Anyway, regardless, this is now registered. This wallet is good to go. Everything is set in stone. And remember, I still have this down. Nope, not that one. That's my bat file for my actual mining purposes. So here we go. So this is, we got our seed phrase, we got our wallet address. So it is recommended to save this and put it into, maybe a USB drive, another hard drive or something, as well as save these with it. Just make a folder, put like Dero Wallet Backup or something like that. Copy all of this to it, because you don't need both. You only need one. But the password will be saved to the database file itself. So you can simply take this and copy it in. So we can take this actually and put it into our CLI wallet, and vice versa, our CLI wallet into here. So I'm actually going to do that right quick just to kind of show you. So I'm going to go into wallets. We're going to go to Dero CLI. We're going to go to video test, go into here. And I'm actually going to take these two files here, the video test ones. I'm going to copy these over, and I'm going to come back into wallets, Dero mainnet. So I'm going to paste these in here. So now I'm actually going to have both of these in, the one we just made through our CLI wallet and the one we just made for video test. So if we actually close out Engram right now, let us do its thing. Just give it a couple seconds to fully close. And then we're going to open it back up. Dero here, Engram. Both of our wallet files should be inside of Engram at this point. I'm just going to wait a second to make sure. So here you can see we have video test as well as video test 2. So I'm going to log into this just to prove to you that it will load it. So we're going to enter it. It's going to take a second or so to do its thing. And now you can see it entered it. All the wallet is good. We're going to close it out. I guess I could have just went to log out regardless. Doesn't matter. So now we're just going to open this up one more time. Open Sesame. Open Sesame. Open Sesame. There we go. And we're going to load the one we just made through our Engram wallet, which is video test 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter. Let it load its thing. Hopefully it's done soon. Anytime now. Jeopardy music, engage. I'm just kidding. That's copyright. I can't play that. But here we go. We can see that the Dero wallet is now up and loaded, ready to go. So again, I just want everyone to make sure, copy your database files over to this. Also, make sure you have your seed phrases. Both of them will work to restore in your wallet if you get a system crash or you download in a different computer. Regardless, it will work for your backup purposes. Okay, so now I'm kind of curious to see who is still watching this video and who's not. So let me know in the comments below who is the winner of this. Did you get through this? So if you've been watching this video, you kind of see some seed phrases and stuff throughout it. So I'm going to come into here. I did load my normal Dero wallet up here. So I'm just going to pick anonymous setting, anonymous. I can't say that right now. Sorry guys, but it's like your anonymous setting here. The higher the number, probably the longer the transaction will take, but the more privacy and hidden it will be. So I'm just going to go with a 2 in this case. I'm going to bring up this wallet. And again, you can see the seed phrase here, guys. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste that in there. I'm going to put 1 Dero into the wallet message. I'm going to put grats. Maybe I'll put a Z because, gamer talk, leet talk, computer talk, whatever it is, we spell things wrong. It makes us seem smarter. It doesn't make any sense, but it's the way it works. So I'm going to go grats here. I'm going to save that transaction and send it. So I just simply hit the send, save transactions. It disappeared, so it's sent. Now, if you don't have much Dero and you try to send something and it costs more fees or something, it won't disappear like this. It'll be stuck there, so you'll have to adjust your value. But it disappeared, so the transaction did go through. So now I'm going to load up the other wallet and see if it's actually there. All right, guys, there it is. I loaded up video test 2, and I do have 1 balance within this wallet. So you guys seen the seed phrase. First one that gets into this wallet will get 1 Dero. Make sure you have a registered address to point this Dero to in order to send it. So thank you for watching this video. Congratulations to whoever does get this. Let me know in the comments who the winner is. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.